Hello everyone, and welcome back to our online STEAM club. For those of you who are just joining us, in this club we do fun activities in science, technology, engineering, arts, and math. So today, because it's finally getting nice out, we've decided to try some activities you can take outside, into your backyard, or to the nearest green space. So we are going to do things that fly and look at things that you can throw and drop. So the first one is going to be a helicopter. This is one of the simplest activities I run. At the top, you just need some type of rotor blade. You will probably want to try to use cardstock or heavy construction paper because you do want something that's quite stiff and that won't flop about. And then you can attach it either to a straw, or you can definitely try something else, perhaps a coffee store stick, or you can even see if a pencil might work. As always, we encourage everyone to experiment and to try to see what works for them. And that's really all there is to this very simple activity. You are, of course, the motor for it. So once you're ready, just give it a bit of a spin between your hands. And those are lots of fun because they are just so quick and they can actually go for quite a distance. For our next activity, we're going to look at the coffee filter parachute. So at the top, you just have your coffee filter. I really like decorating these with bright, bold colors. And at the bottom, you'll want some sort of weight. Now, I like using a disposable cup because you can put things inside like Lego or rocks and see how that affects how the parachute falls. But if you don't have a disposable cup, you can use anything with just a bit of weight that will help guide the parachute down. And then attaching those are, of course, our strings. I like using 3, but again, feel free to experiment with using more or fewer strings. And then once you're ready, you just give it a nice little toss in the air. And it'll just hopefully lightly fall down to the ground. For our final activity, we're going to look at the wingless plane. So for this, I've just used another straw. And then you just need 2 loops of paper. As you can see, one of the loops is smaller than the other one. And I've attached them right at the end of my straw, but you can definitely experiment and see what happens if you put them closer together. Once that's all like this, you do probably want to throw it with the smaller loop at the front, and then you just give it a gentle toss. And of course the question is, how does a plane fly with no wings? Well, I challenge you to research that and see if you can figure it out yourself. So as always, if you do any of these projects, we would love to see them on our Facebook page. Just go to lethlib.ca and you can find it there. And if you have any questions, please feel free to send them my way as well. Until next time, goodbye!